Principal Dr. Sandeep Ghosh and the then officer in charge of the Tala police station, Abhijit Mondal, have been arrested by the investigating agency. Ghosh, remember, was already arrested by the CBI in the RG Kar financial irregularities case. Now, sources say the two have been arrested for misleading the investigation and for the delay in filing the FIR, as well as over alleged missing evidence. Notably, the CBI had told the Supreme Court that the crime scene had been altered. As per sources, the Kolkata police has been under scanner not only for mishandling of the case, but also for the proximity of certain officers with the prime accused Sanjay Roy. Now, with this, the CBI has so far arrested 3 people in the RG Kar rape and murder case and 4 people in the alleged corruption case. Dr. Sandeep Ghosh has been arrested in both of these cases. Junior doctors protesting against the RG Kar rape and murder case and those who are demanding justice for the victim welcome the arrest of Sandeep Ghosh and Abhijit Mondal, saying they had been saying right from the start that the two had a role in evidence tampering.
आज 35वें दिन संदीप घोष वो जेल के अंदर गया। ये इस बात का सबूत है कि जो डिमांड हमने शुरू से लिखा था, हमारा जो डिमांड जो जस्टिस से पूरा रिलेटेड है, वो डिमांड सच है। वो डिमांड पे मुहर लग गई कि संदीप घोष ने जो किया वो एक इंस्टीट्यूशनल क्राइम है। हमारा डिमांड ये है कि जो भी इसमें शामिल है वो इस्तीफा दें, उन्हें कानूनी दायरे में लिया जाए।
हाँ, देखिए, हम लोग तो पहले से ही मांग किए थे। संदीप घोष साहब जो था हम लोग का RG Kar मेडिकल कॉलेज का एक्स प्रिंसिपल और टाला थाना का जो ओसी था, ये दोनों लोग मतलब ये लोग सारे जो एविडेंस टेम्परिंग का जो चीज़ हुआ था वो सारे में इन लोगों का हाथ है। हम लोग पहले से ही मांग किए थे इन लोगों का अरेस्ट होना चाहिए। आज CBI अरेस्ट किए हैं इन लोगों का। हम लोग इसमें इस बार में खुश थे।
Now, politics also broke out after the fresh arrests by the CBI, with the BJP saying that it has now been established that the police had a direct involvement in the tampering of evidence and sought the resignation of the Kolkata Chief of Police, Vineet Goyal. The BJP also demanded that Mamata Banerjee should resign on moral and ethical grounds, saying the procedural lapses could not have taken place without instructions from the top.
SHO लेटर लिख रहा है कि आप जब एक डॉक्टर ने नोट दिया कि आप शाम के बाद पोस्टमार्टम नहीं कर सकते, तब SHO लिख रहा है कि स्पेशल केस में एक कर दीजिए। लेकिन मेरा सवाल ये है कि कोई SHO, एक थाना प्रभारी, छोटा सा थाना प्रभारी, क्या डिसीजन ले सकता है क्या? उन्हें ऊपर से बोला गया था, इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया गया था, तो स्वाभाविक है ऊपर के लोगों को पकड़ना चाहिए। छोटे मोहरा है। विनीत गोयल का अभी इस्तीफा होनी चाहिए, नहीं तो बंगाल की जनता मुख्यमंत्री जी को अपने पद से, अपने चेयर से हटा देगी।
Sabyasachi joins us now, and Sabyasachi, you've been reporting from the site of this incident, also from the RG Kar hospital as well, and the protesters are adamant that they've been stating for a long time that at least 2 of these people were involved, and in fact that there was evidence tampering, including a role of the police. What is the significance of these 2 arrests, and what is the BJP saying with regards to other people also being involved? It can't have just been these 2.
Well, that's right, Ankit. The junior doctors who have been protesting from day one have been stating that there has been involvement from someone within the medical college and hospital, and the CBI, in fact, yesterday has arrested former principal of RG Kar Medical College and Hospital, Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, as well as the Tala police station OC, Abhijit Mondal. Now, the CBI says that from the hospital administration as well as from the OC of Tala police station, Abhijit Mondal, there has been a significant delay in registering the FIR, which has led to considerably the destruction of important evidence from the crime scene. So the CBI yesterday had filed an affidavit in the Shialda court, stating that they want the custody of former medical college, former principal of RG Kar Medical College and Hospital, Dr. Sandeep Ghosh. Dr. Sandeep Ghosh remains to be behind bars, and the CBI CBI says that this has led to considerably destruction of crucial evidence in the case, and from Dr. Sandeep Ghosh's side, there has been chances that he could have possibly destroyed the evidences to save the main culprit Sanjay Roy. So all these angles needs to be probed in by the CBI. Meanwhile, the CBI has sought the custody of Abhijit Mondal as well as Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, and the matter is going to be heard today at Shialda High Court. Meanwhile, the doctors who have been continuously protesting from day one, they have been saying that someone from the institution would have involved questioning the demolition of the wall that took place almost near the crime scene, under whose instruction was it ordered. Later it to be found out that Dr. Sandeep Ghosh had ordered the demolition of the wall near the crime scene. And also the BJP time and again has been hinting that there is a larger conspiracy, and the arrest of Abhijit Mondal, the OC of Tala police station, clearly proves that there has been direct involvement of the Kolkata police as far as the charge of destruction of evidence is concerned, as well as the BJP is demanding the resignation of Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee on moral grounds, stating that since she is the health minister as well as the home minister of the state, and the police and the health infrastructure comes directly under her, and that is the reason why on moral ground she should resign from her post immediately. Meanwhile, a lot of war of words is continuously going on. Meanwhile, at the Supreme Court also, when the hearing was going on, from the CBI side, time and again it has been resorted that there has been a significant delay in registering of the FIR, and also significant evidence have been destroyed. Now, the CBI also told the Supreme Court that the forensic challan has been missing from the documents which has been handed over by the Kolkata police to the Supreme Court, and the forensic challan is very much important because it contains the details of the clothes the victim was wearing on that particular night.
Absolutely, Sabyasachi. The plot here thickening because you got the principal of the hospital at that time and also a police officer who have now been taken into custody. They have been arrested rather by the CBI. You're saying that they'll be presented before the court today seeking remand, and we are likely to figure out a lot more then with regards to how much the CBI knows. Sabyasachi, stay with us because there is another angle to this as well. Now, the political showdown over the arrest came hours after a standoff between the protesting junior doctors and Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. A delegation of junior doctors had gone to the Chief Minister's residence to hold talks and to discuss their demands with Mamata. This after the Chief Minister made a surprise visit to the protest site of the doctors at the Swasthya Bhavan, that is the West Bengal government's health department headquarters, and urged the doctors to return to duty soon. But the meeting could not happen at the Chief Minister's residence amid a deadlock over the doctors' demand that the meeting be live streamed. With the officials not agreeing to it, the doctors scaled down their demand and sought a video recording of the entire meeting and a copy of the same being shared with them. But the Chief Minister's officials did not agree to that either. The Chief Minister said that the video recording will be done, but it will only be released after the Supreme Court allows it. Finally, the junior doctor said that it was decided that the minutes of the meeting will be recorded, but then they were told that the time for the meeting was up.
আপনারা অনেক কষ্ট পেয়েছেন, আর কষ্ট না করে যদি আপনারা কাজে ফিরতে চান, আমি আপনাদের প্রতিশ্রুতি দিচ্ছি আপনাদের ডিমান্ডগুলো আমি কথা বলে সহানুভূতির সাথে আমি স্টাডি করব, আমি অফিসারদের সাথে কথা বলবো, আপনাদের ডিমান্ডগুলো আমি ভাববো, আমি চিন্তা করব। যদি কেউ দোষী হয় তিনি নিশ্চয়ই শাস্তি পাবেন, এবং আমি চাই তিলোত্তমার বিচার হোক। আমি সিবিআইকে অনুরোধ করব যত তাড়াতাড়ি বিচার হোক, এমনকি 3 মাসের মধ্যে তারা যেন ফাঁসির অর্ডার দেয়।
तो जो हमारी कंडीशंस थी कि सबसे पहले लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग हो, उससे हम नेगोशिएशन करके नीचे आए कि नहीं, लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग नहीं, हमें आप वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग के साथ मीटिंग कंडक्ट करवाइए और वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग का जो क्लिप है वो हमें दे दीजिए। इस पर भी अथॉरिटीज़ राज़ी नहीं हुए। ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर खुद बाहर आई, उन्होंने हमसे रिक्वेस्ट किया कि आओ चाय पी लो, चाय तभी पिएंगे जब हमें इंसाफ मिलेगा। हम वीडियोग्राफी को भी हमने छोड़कर मिनट्स जो एक मीटिंग में लिखा जाता है हर मिनट क्या हुआ है, उसके लिए भी हम जब तैयार हुए तो उसके बाद हमें कहा गया कि बहुत देर हो गई, अब मीटिंग नहीं किया जा सकता।
Sabyasachi remains with us. Now, what is this haggling that is ongoing over the last several days, might I add, over the terms of this meeting, the live streaming, the number of doctors, and then why did the meeting not take place, even though the Chief Minister seems so intent on resolving all issues with the doctors?
Well, absolutely, Ankit. See, the deadlock at RG Kar Hospital, Medical College and Hospital remains there. The deadlock between the administration and the junior doctors protesting continues. See, yesterday, when Mamata Banerjee was waiting at her Kalighat residence for several hours, in fact, the junior doctors who had reached the residence of Mamata Banerjee in Kolkata, now the junior doctors said that their demands that they have been asking for the live streaming of the meeting has been denied by the administration. Now, after the deadlock, Mamata Banerjee herself, she went towards the junior doctors who were standing outside her residence. Now, Mamata Banerjee assured the junior doctors that their demands will be looked into, and if anybody is held responsible, those will be punished. Now, Mamata Banerjee says that the demands which has been put forth by the junior doctors would be taken into consideration, and in discussion with the other officers, she would take action into this matter. Now, as far as the demands of the junior doctors are concerned, they have been demanding for a live streaming of the meeting that is going to take place between the Chief Minister and the junior doctors. Now, the junior doctors say that despite them stating that they don't want the live streaming of the meeting, but they want the video recording of the meeting, to which the state administration say that since the matter is going in the Supreme Court, the video recording cannot be shared with the junior doctors. Now, the junior doctors have been sitting for consecutive days at in front of the Shastra Bhavan in Kolkata. They had said that until and unless their demands are met, they would continue their agitation. Today also, the junior doctors have called for a massive rally at around 4 p.m. from Salt Lake to Shastra Bhavan. As far as the demands from the junior doctors are concerned, they want several changes in the Shastra Bhavan. They want the removal of the principal health secretary as well as the other administrators in the health department, and they want that the accused should be punished as soon as possible. Now, from the state government as well, a time and again letter has been written from the chief secretary to the protesting doctors. We had seen that the first letter was written by the principal health secretary to the junior doctors, stating that they would like them to come to Nabarno to hold a discussion, to which the junior doctor said that it is an insult to them because the person whose removal that they are wanting, that particular person, the principal health secretary, is writing a letter to the junior doctors, and they felt insulting. After that, the chief secretary in fact wrote 2 letters to the protesting doctors, stating that the chief minister would need to meet them and discuss on the following demands that has been put forth by the junior doctors.
Absolutely. So, Sabyasachi, 2 matters to look forward to today with regards to the Kolkata horror. One is the CBI bringing the 2 latest arrested persons to court to seek remand, and also the rally that you're saying by the junior doctors. That is something that also needs resolution at the earliest. Thank you for sharing these updates so comprehensively on this story.